There's a lot of potential.
There's a lot of potential.
There's
in
a
this
lot
house.
of potential in this property.
Yeah, and it's coming to market today, actually, as soon as we
Yes.
get the photos up.
Photos are in the works. They're cooking right now.
That's right. And then we have an open house on Saturday
And Sunday.
and Sunday. And one of the best features about this house is the backyard and the driveway.
It's a wonderful neighborhood, beautiful view. You got a park right down the road.
Hear how quiet it is. People have been living on the street for a long time. One of the advantages is, if you look right back there, that is a walkway to overlook park, which is wonderful. We love the fact that this property has a driveway. Not all properties in Dover have driveways. And what was I going to tell you? The view outside. I like to call it my mini LA view.
Yes, it's a wonderful view in the evening.
In the evening.
Just great for entertaining when you're out here.
It is.
Wonderful.
Current
Lots of space.
owners are saying 6 cars can park here. So that's like a big advantage to it. But it's a really nice sized yard. And if you come back here, you actually can, it does an L. The driveway does an L, and there's still parking back here too. So, and it has a walkout basement, which I also love. We have 4 bedrooms, one of which is on the first floor.
Yes.
And there's a full bath on the first floor and a full bath on the second floor.
Correct.
Which is awesome. Jonathan has a secret power. He's going to tell you what it is.
Well, I don't know if it's a secret power. Es en esta casa. Llámanos y te podemos enseñar la casa.
Und ich spreche Deutsch, aber ich verstehe nichts. Nobody cares.
¿Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Ja, ich spreche Deutsch. Ja, vor 4 Jahren gestudiert, ja.
¿Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Habla español.